Right, market's just opened. Real quick, got this massive fair value gap up here, which I'd like to fill in before going lower. If we did want to go lower, look on the 4 hourly, we're filling in this fair value gap here. So I'd like to take some longs potentially up to this after sweeping this again, potentially, or coming up and then coming down, back down to this. Let's see what's going on right now. Still respecting this 15 minute. We'll see how that holds up in 15 minutes time. See where this candle closes. We got just whipped out these as market opened. This low inside the 5 minute fair value gap. Ooh, potential. There is a fair value gap up here. Could we take a 1 minute? There's no 1 minute. 2 minute. Nah. So the 3 minute is the highest time frame fair value gap. However, if this gets inverse, it probably wouldn't be a trade for me to take, just because of how big the stop loss is compared to what we're targeting. So yeah, we'll just see. This 5 minutes also been holding up. Hold up twice, got a reaction off it. So potential for a short for this area, but I would rather see it come up here, to be honest. Tapped into the 4 hourly fair value gap. See if we inverse this. There isn't much narrative to carry on going lower. Obviously, we've already filled in this fair value gap, swept out this. Like, unless we are just, I mean, we're so overextended. Obviously, we haven't had a down candle day in about weeks, bruv. So some serious retracement could be going on, but we can't assume anything, because we could carry on going higher as well, like, depending. How greedy. Right, if we inverse this, I'll take it. I want to see some good displacement. Oh, the 2 minute open, never mind. So if this gets inversed, if this gets inversed, then we'll take it. Could carry on going higher though, because we only barely tapped into this hourly. Yeah, short would, even though it's not obviously guaranteed that price will go lower. Like, there's just as much reason for it to go higher than lower at the moment. There isn't many. I can't see any setups where I could go long. Do you know what I mean? Just because, yeah, they've either already passed, and like also, oh yeah, just because it's big fair value gap. There's no targets for me. No sensible targets, at least, for me to target if I go long. So yeah, shorts is what I'll be looking for today, which we might get. This 3 minutes open as well, which is now the highest time frame fair value gap. I mean, if we did get a valid long, I guess I could take it up to this 15 minute fair value gap. My price is very is likely to draw up to there if I get the signs that it wants to. It's more of a specific target rather than this big hourly. Got this 15 minute. We'll see. Price is rejecting this though. Right, we have inversed this 3 minute, but I don't want to take this here. I want it to come back up to here before I sell. Maybe I should have taken it. Yeah, we inversed this. It was just a bit too, like, past my ideal entry point. Come on, bruv. Retrace for me so I can enter. So annoying. Just doesn't want us to trade at the moment, bruv. The markets don't want us to trade, bro. My target got taken out. Maybe yeah. Mate, I could have just ended there, taken it down to these, and it still would have been a valid trade. I would have broke even here. Such good delivery. Yeah, broke even here. Down to there. I can't. If this retrace now, I can't take that because my first target's already been taken. So I'd have to open up a 5-minute retrace into that, then go lower, or we just inverse this, and I could take that up to this. We'll see. Take that off. Right, the 5 minutes just opened up. So let's see if we can get a retrace into that, maybe a 1-minute inverse, or if we just inverse this. I wouldn't mind taking that. We'll see. Up to here. Fuck's sake. Why is it always so just rubbish, bro? Yeah, I wouldn't mind taking this. See what price wants to do. Let's stay reactive. Right now, I'm not too sure what price wants to do in the long term, like 4 hour daily. It would make more sense to go shorter though, because of how overextended we are. How many gaps are below? So we'll see. Stay open-minded. Be reactive. No expectations. Right. 1 minute open up. See if we get an inverse. Just tiny little fair value gap. But if you get good displacement, I don't mind taking it. Right. Sell him.
Order filled.
Sell him. Take profit down here. Stop loss up here. Gonna go break even here. See what happens. Spent a lot of time in drawdown for this trade. We have swept on the S&P. These two equal highs. I'd love to see and so that would mean it's an SMT. I'd love to see this get inversed on the S&P. Invest another 1 minute fair value gap on NAS. So we'll see where it goes. It's only my 4th trade on the account in like 2 weeks. That's pretty good actually. That's about right. I think I've been very patient with it. There's a few that I missed. There's one that I missed out. A couple that could have been good trades that just didn't. I don't know. There was something wrong with them there. Like the RR wasn't good. Like that one earlier with the 3 minute, that would have been a decent trade. I would have hit TP straight away, but because of the RR, it would have made it hard to enter. Seems like the market doesn't always wants to do. Couple doji candles here. Is this just under 1-to-1? Do I take the low hanging fruit here? Yeah, I might take one contract off here, or like two, like half my position. Because it's literally like 0.2 under a 1-to-1, basically a 1-to-1. So but then again, if we come down to here, most likely we will want to come down here. Definitely break even here though. Inverse this on the S&P, which is a good sign, and on the 2-minute as well. Like, am I being greedy by putting this down here? Oh, have we just taken it? Yeah. Break even. Let's just hold. Let's fucking do it. Oh yeah, this is what I like to see. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on, a little bit down. Come on. Don't reverse now. Because, fuck, should I take I don't know how to take, that's the thing, I don't know how to take a thingy off. So I'm gonna a contract off on this. Do I just buy? I don't know. I don't want to risk it. Just take it, bro. Yeah.
Order filled.
There we go. Great trade. Price, like I said, price has been going higher, so there's always that in the back of your mind that price still wants to go even higher than it has been, because that's just been the trend for the last few weeks. But I got to try not to associate what price is doing now with what price has done the last few weeks. You just got to make sure that you're trading with clear intentions. And price looked like it was going down. I think the reason I thought it was going, like, it could have gone higher is just because of how much it's gone higher. But realistically, like, we are so overextended and price would want to go down. So yeah, massive fair value gap here. Wanted to take this 3-minute earlier, but the RR wasn't very good. It still would have played out technically. I would have just finished it now. Yeah, it wasn't ideal. We opened up the 5-minute. Filled in this 5-minute, and then what was it? Was it a 1-minute? Yeah, 1-minute fair value gap here, inversed. What scared me was how S&P had these equal highs here, but we did take it out. I thought it could, if we take this out, I thought it'd be the same sort of level. Luckily, we didn't. We stayed down, which created an S&T. Further confluence of going lower. Then we inversed on the S&P, which gave me a bit more confidence, and broke even here, just because we still respecting this 5-minute, I believe. Yeah, we're still respecting this 5-minute down here that we had respected before, twice swept. So there was potential of reversing here, but full targets here. Let's go. Good trade. What day is it today? Thursday. So yeah, hopefully get enough. So we're back up just under. So what's that? 0.7. What's that in percentages? I don't know. Let's see on our dashboard. Let's go on and refresh this. No, thank you. Today. Oh, it hasn't refreshed yet. Has it refreshed? Let's go. It hasn't refreshed. Account balance. Why is my account balance not reflecting that? I don't know, maybe it needs some time to reset at the end of the day or whatever. But yeah, as you can see, balance up here, nearly halfway. Like, if we had another $100, then we'd be halfway. So yeah, we're getting there. Win rate is at 75%. Won 3 out of 4 trades. Average win is 600. Average loss is 438. So it's a positive RR. Yeah, I'm happy with my performance so far. You know, like, I feel like my mental is like really locked in now. I've never been this confident in myself. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm patient. I'm only taking the good trades. I have clear intentions. I'm not setting my biases in stone. Do you know what I mean? Whereas I feel like that was probably one of the problems I had before. Like, I feel like if price didn't go exactly how I wanted it to, then I wouldn't take a trade, or I'd be too hesitant to get into a trade. But now I'm way more open minded. This book that I'm reading at the moment, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, is really like made me realize how much you don't have to know exactly what's going to happen in the market for you to make money in the market, which is so contradictory. But yeah, it's working for me so far. Hopefully, I can keep it working. And bro, if I pass this funding out, it'd be the greatest day of my life. I'm trying not to set too much emotional like weight on it. Like, I don't have to pass it. Like, I know that I don't have to pass it, and I probably won't. I like the idea of like setting my expectations low, or like at least not having any expectations at all, and just trading how I trade, taking it in day out, and just showing up. You know what I mean? And I'll get there. Just having, yeah, just being centered in the moment, not thinking. But like, it's when moments like this come, where I'm like, oh, I'm getting a bit closer. I do get a bit excited. Just need to calm down. I can't get overexcited, because that's when I get too confident. That's when you get euphoric and feeling like you're really good at trading, when realistically it's a probabilities game. I'm just playing my edge well at the moment. So yeah, we'll see if I can keep doing that. And yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. Have a good day.